Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio. As the year 2022 has come to a close and we're now into 2023, I've been taking some time to look back over some of my Springboard classes for the past year. Did you guys know that in addition to the workouts and things that I have available here on my YouTube channel, that I also have a whole online studio where you can join me to take Pilates Springboard classes? Well, I do, and I'm going to show you some examples and little snippets from some of the classes that we've done this past year. My Springboard classes vary in length. You can have full-length 60-minute classes, 30-minute classes, 15-minute classes, classes where we emphasize certain muscle groups, and specialized classes that are all based off of one thing, such as rollback bar classes, where everything we do is with the rollback bar, or magic circle classes, or resistance band classes, or small ball classes, where we add in small props. In my Springboard classes, you get little elements of everything. Classical Pilates, Mat Pilates thrown in with a springboard, different exercises that you can do on various apparatuses applied to the springboard, and also inventive and creative movement. We've got resistance training, ways to stretch, lengthen, and increase flexibility, and build muscle. If you've been enjoying my content on the Springboard here on YouTube and thinking about taking it to the next level, this year is a great time to do it. Not only will you get access to all of my classes from the year 2020 on, but this year, I'm going back to my specialized Springboard roots, and it's going to be a Springboard-focused year. It is going to be the best Springboard year of my life, and I want to invite you to come along. So if you already have a Springboard, or you have ready access to a Springboard, or you're thinking about buying a Springboard and spending less money in the Pilates studio and more time working at home, I've got you covered. There are so many lessons and classes that you can be doing a brand new workout every single day. Or you can make a lineup of all of your favorites and you can put new ones in all the time. So how, you might be asking, can you be a part of this? Well, you can join me on Patreon and have access to my online Pilates studio. All the information for Patreon is in the write-up below. Currently, my Springboard tier is only $25 a month. Yep, you heard me right. That's it. It doesn't even touch what you would pay for a single class at a Pilates studio. $25 a month, and it gets you access to all my Springboard classes. In addition to Springboard, you also have access to my Mat Pilates tier, where I am constantly building how-to videos to teach you how to do each and every mat exercise from any level. Not sold? That's okay. You can continue to get access to my free content here on YouTube, where I teach shorter lessons and give you snippets from my classes and show you various things on the Springboard. But if you're looking to take it to the next level and have all of my classes, I wanted you to know how easily available it is and how inexpensive. So take a look at what we've been doing in the studio over the past year, and if you're interested in seeing more and having access to all of these classes and all of the amazing new content that's coming out in the year 2023, please come join me. And feel free to shoot me any questions you might have.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
And that's a wrap for Springboard classes in 2022. I can't wait for all the great Springboard classes to come in 2023 on Patreon. Please come join me if you're interested. And of course, stick around here on YouTube for great Pilates and barre content this year.